Hey, good afternoon everybody. This is John again from Volkswagenplanet, and today we are going to do a first start on the 1993 Chevy Suburban. This thing has been sitting a little over 2 years after looking at the records. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put some gas in it and let's see what happens to this thing. So hopefully there'll be no bees over here. And we'll see what we can get done here. I'm going to put some gas in it and I'll be right back, guys. Alright, so we're back. So there wasn't much gas in this thing, maybe a half a gallon or so. So I did put some 93 octane in there. I also put a can of that drying agent. So now is going to be the, I guess the truth. Is this thing going to fire up? Remember when I parked this thing, it was just parked because nobody needed a car. There was nothing wrong with it. So now it's time to clean it up. I don't want to get stung here or anything. As if you guys remember, that's where all the wasp and stuff were hanging out at. So I'm going to pause. Go ahead and I'm going to pause the video right here so you guys can comment below if you think this thing's going to start up. I haven't touched it at all. So now this thing is what's called I think it's called TBI. TBI. It's TBI, throttle body injected. So it's not exactly a carburetor, but it's not exactly the complete fuel injection system either. It's got 220,000 miles. That's on the original engine. Right now, currently, it's a second transmission. So let's see if this thing's going to fire up. Or see how many of all these check engine lights we can have and everything else going on here. Okay. So far it's pretty good because we are registering voltage, which is good. Where's the fuel? Let's see if I can find the fuel. It's been a while since I've messed with this thing. Oh, there it is. We are showing some fuel. Now, just to let you guys know, this is a 32-gallon fuel tank. So let's see what the gauges are going to do when I turn this thing over here. Let me clear all this out. I'm going to give it, let's give it three pumps for good luck. Okay, ready guys? So have everybody commented below. I'm going to turn it off. Look at that. It is running a little rough. Oil pressure is about, let's see here, what is that? About 45. So far we got no water temp because of course the thermostats haven't opened. And let's see if we can get all these brake switches and everything else off of this dashboard. But as of right now, it is running. And look at this. Let's see if I can remember how to do this here. Even got nice cold air conditioning. Not too bad for a 1993 with 220,000 miles on it. So I just wanted to share that with you guys. I'm extremely excited. I didn't think this thing was going to fire up at all. So I'm going to let it run for 15-20 minutes. Let the oil get back all in its cycle and its cylinders and everything else. But like I said, this is the one that the wasp got me twice. I didn't win, but I guess in the long run I did win. So I just wanted to show this vehicle with you. More than likely this vehicle will be used as our tow vehicle. I've already got a really good friend of mine since high school. He wants to take it to his body shop so we can get the paint all taken care of. But I think the good old girl deserves it, considering that we did buy this new and brand new at the dealership in 1993. It's been a hell of a truck. It's never been in an accident. We did lose a transmission in Colorado when it was about 7 years old. But besides that, it's all original. Let me give you guys a quick look at the interior. It needs a little work. I mean, it is a little dirty, but it has been sitting here for 2 years. But I mean, it's not too bad for a truck its age. I mean, yeah, it's all dirty and everything else, and literally everybody and his brother has driven this car. So I'm gonna end this video here, guys. Again, thumbs up, thumbs down, like, comment, share, subscribe. This is really a good day for me. I really needed something like this because of all the chaos and everything that's been going on down here in my personal life. But I want to thank you guys again. So we'll catch you on the next video. And as always, guys, God bless you. God bless your family. God bless our great nation, the United States of America. And we'll catch you on the next video. I am working on a couple new VW videos, so look out for those. Follow us on all the social media, like I said in the last couple of videos, blah blah blah, you know, Patreon. But I don't want the support. Don't send me no financial support. I don't want that. I don't need that. And so you know the routine. We'll catch you guys in the next video. Take care, guys.